Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alright.
Index is 45%.
Don't tell me what to say, right?
Okay.
The heat index is 45%. The heat index is an index that combines air temperature and relative humidity to determine the apparent temperature or how hot it actually feels. What do you think about that?
I think you just improv that. That's the word the, not that. Oh, no, sorry. It is hot. Oh, yeah, it's hot. It's really hot.
The human body normally cools itself by
gosh,
perspiration
it is so hot.
or sweating, in which the water in the sweat
so bad.
evaporates and carries heat.
What was that? What happens?
God, the human body.
I'm sweating so bad. No,
The human body normally cools itself by perspiration
I'm sweating.
or sweating, in which the water in the sweat evaporates and carries heat away from the body. Was that necessary? Was it?
Oh, are you talking to me? I thought you were talking to that other.
Don't touch me, don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
I'm in a relationship already.
Yeah. Whoop.
In which the water in the sweat evaporates. I already said. However, when the relative humidity is high, the evaporation rate of water is reduced.
No way.
Did you ever notice that nose hair right here sticking on your nose? No?
I don't know.
Yeah, I just finally shut him up. This means
gosh. Your name's Chuck. And mine is Norris. Do you know what that means?
No, I don't know what that means. Say it all together. Chuck Norris.
Chuck Norris. What a coincidence. Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris. A guy.
Did you just notice it?
No.
Never noticed it? No.
I never. That's so cool. So, okay. Go. Chuck Norris. That's so cool.
Yeah, okay. This means heat is removed. That looks like Greg with nose hair.
Who's Greg?
My boyfriend.
Your boy.
Yeah.
Friend.
National TV.
We're on national TV. You're admitting you're coming out of the.
Shut up! My phone.
Nice ringtone.
I love this ringtone. Look, it's him.
You're in trouble. That's
Oh.
great.
Hello?
Oh my god, I just saw your news weather. You said that you like that last night, girlfriend, There's no way that you can't do that to me. You mother! Oh my god.
Greg is right.
That's it, we're through.
No, I'm
Goodbye.
sorry, honey.
No,
honey,
no, we're through.
on the news.
Honey,
We're through.
honey,
We're
I'm
through.
sorry.
We're through.
No.
We're through.
No,
No, we're through.
TV.
Alright.
Bye.
I'm sorry, please. No.
Fine.
You even have girly pictures.
Look what you did.
I didn't say something bad about your boyfriend on national television.
Alright, whatever.
Get back to the script. Director's like, ooh. I mean, we don't even have any money for anything. Like, we got a doorbell to alert us of the commercial because we're in the stupid kitchen table.
I know.
Stupid budget.
This means heat is removed from the body at a lower rate, causing it to retain more heat than it would in dry air. What do you think about that? Does it dry in air? Hot air?
The wind is blowing up.
How do you tell?
I don't know.
Very interesting. Measurements have been taken based on subjective descriptions.
Oh God. Chuck.
Can I
I
finish?
can't get over. Okay, talk more about your heat stuff. Yeah.
Measurements have been taken based on the subjective description of how hot subjects feel for a given temperature and humidity.
I feel you, boyfriend.
No, we're through. I'm through with him.
Okay. Now you say that
I'm
now.
through with him. You saw that. We broke up.
Came out of the closet on national TV. See that? See the little camera eye? Everyone's looking at you. And me. Because we're Chuck Norris.
Shut up! Me and him are through. He doesn't want me anymore. Oh, there it is.
Not now. Put that down.
I know,
You
really.
have to finish the weather report.
I'm through with him.
You just broke your phone.
Allowing an index to be made.
If you're watching this, Greg, stop calling.
Allowing
not
an
promote
index
gay
to be.
marriages. Sorry,
Yeah, our weather station does not. I repeat,
our low budget
Don't
weather
make-
station does not promote gay marriages.
not at all.
Instead, they promote tiny tables and doorbells.
Hey, don't hate the Jew for making the budget cuts.
I'm sorry, director. Continue.
Allowing an index to be made which corresponds to temperature and humidity combination to a higher temperature and dry air. Can you believe we are finally done?
You finished?
Yeah, just like 2 seconds ago.
And now, I guess our doorbell's broken now too. To the commercials. Thank you, Chuck.
And now a very important message from our sponsors.
It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are?
Say it again! Say it again!
It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are?
Say it again! Say it again!
It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are?
Oh my God. Where are my children? Hi, Daddy.
Hello?
Hi.
Where are you?
Michael Jackson's house. He told me to call him Little Michael. No more Jesus, just Michael Jackson.
Where are you? Oh my God. It's 10 o'clock and I don't know where my children are.
Hi, this is the weather channel called The Sniffles. I'm Chuck with,
I'm Norris.
and now back to Peter for the weather.
That was gay.
Hi, this is Sniffles weather station, and there's a big crack on the floor. There's an earthquake!
I'm just down butt naked. Wait a minute, why is everyone full? Hello, I'm Crocodile Dundee. Hello. Dr. No, you can really help me? Thank you. Where is this ship then?
The pressure point is 31 inches.
That was stupid, so I stole Roman.
Hello?
Wait, it's Christine.
Go.
Hello?
You will die in 7 days. Wait a minute. Is this Brittany?
Most clouds are usually puffy.
Oh, as you can see, the winds are dying. God damn it. Is it warping?
Wait, not yet. Everybody come back.
It took 200 miles.
Oh, stop. Wait.
Wind is the movement of air caused by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface. It occurs at all.
Cumulus clouds are usually puffy, popcorn-like appearance, and a loosely vertical development and clearly defined edges. They can be found singly or
Dogs are warmer.
Sorry.
Also the jet streams are southbound at 100 south.
And also, hello. Hello. A whirlpool is a large, swirling body of water produced by ocean tides.
Whoosh, whoosh.
In the popular, the big word on the paper, immunization. A whirlpool is a large, swirling body of water produced by ocean tides. Okay.